Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can recreate the Supernova crown for free, headpiece, whatever it's called, on Dress to Impress without having a Supernova ring. You do need the accessory adjustment for this, so let's get started with the video. We are going to go to the hair salon first, and we're going to put this hair on, and we are going to toggle it to the only flowers toggle, and make sure you color everything first because it will kind of glitch before, so do that. And I'm just going to put all the materials in metallic. You can also do this look one. I'm just going to kind of go back and forth between these colors. For the accessory adjustment, you're just going to select this, of course, position it to 0.46, the Y at 0.55, the Z at 0.50, the rotation is at 0, and the Y axis at 0.5, the Z at 0.20, and the scale is at 0.35. That is for the flowers. And then next we are going to use this headpiece. I am going to color it gold and blue. I think I'm just going to leave the colors like this. Oh, I'm going to change it a little like that. For the adjustment, we're going to position the Y-axis at 0.53 and the Z at 0.50. I think I might remove the bangs for this one or position it a little bit so that you guys can see the headpiece a little bit better. There we go. And then we will need this one as well. I am going to color it first. Oh my god, why does it do that? There we go. And then for this accessory adjustment, we're going to position the Y-axis at 0.53, the Z at 0.45, and then the scale at 0.35. Then we have these pieces to do now. It's this like earring, I guess. I'm just going to color it blue. Then for the accessory adjustment, we're going to put the Z axis at 0.35. And then we're going to scale it up to 0.60. Like that. Then we're going to get these earrings. And then I'm going to just color them gold and blue. Then for this accessory adjustment, we're going to put it at 0.65. I'm like trying to look at the notes here. And then the Z-axis at 0.35. Then the scale, we're going to again scale it up to 0.60. Lastly, we are going to use this one. Where is it? These earrings. And I'm going to again color them gold and blue before I start using the accessory adjustment. For the position, 0.6 for the Y-axis, the Z-axis at 0.35, and the scale at 0.60. And that is how you can recreate the Supernova crown on Dress to Impress. It's obviously not going to look the same, but it looks pretty cool. But yeah, I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!